A severe winter storm has brought heavy snow to southern Ontario, where strong winds, lightning and thunder have also been reported. Local authorities says between 22 and 30 centimeters of snow fell on the Greater Toronto area, prompting the City of Toronto to declare a major snowstorm condition that bars residents from parking on designated routes for the next 3 days. Residents should move their vehicles off snow routes by Monday, which is when snow removal operations are expected to start, which is focusing mostly on arterial roads with transit. Hundreds of flights departing and arriving into Toronto Pearson International Airport have been cancelled as a result of the storm. Meanwhile, Ottawa logged 14 centimeters of snow, and Hamilton reported 15 centimeters. Environment Canada is urging people to use caution when going out, saying highways, roads, walkways and parking lots could be difficult to navigate. Driving could also prove difficult, with slush or snow-covered roads creating treacherous conditions, and blowing snow, possibly reducing visibility without warning. 41 bus stops located on hilly areas temporarily out of service due to slippery road conditions. Snowfall and winter storm warnings remain in effect for some parts of the province, including Ottawa, Kingston and other parts of eastern Ontario.